If you or a loved one have kidney disease, you might be wondering how you can make your favorite recipe more kidney friendly. The good news is that there are many delicious dishes and foods you can still enjoy. We hear from so many people that they love chicken and potatoes and want ideas to make meals with both that are kidney friendly. Today, we'll be cooking a classic comfort food that incorporates both chicken and potatoes. Chicken and gnocchi dumplings. This dish is not only kidney and diabetes friendly, but heart healthy too. So now, we invite you to meet us at the table. After adding oil to the pot, set it to high heat. Once the oil is hot, put your chicken breast in and cook the chicken on all sides until golden brown. Now add the finely diced celery, onions and carrots and continue to cook with the chicken until the vegetables are translucent. Add 6 cups of reduced sodium chicken stock and let it cook on high heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Once that has cooked, reduce the heat and stir in 1 tablespoon of low sodium chicken waste bouillon, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. Now you're ready to add the gnocchi and cook for 15 minutes, stirring constantly. By using lower sodium ingredients, you were able to create this hearty, comforting soup that is sure to warm you up on a chilly night. It's lower in sodium and potassium than traditional canned soup. You can even use it as a base to add other vegetables. Remember, your dietitian is always available to answer any questions. They can help you eat well while still incorporating the foods you love. For more delicious kidney-friendly dishes, visit FreseniusKidneyCare.com/recipes.